How to fix DeepSeek. This server is busy. Please try again later. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can fix your problem. So let's get started with our first solution. Now, if you are trying to get any deep answer in DeepSeek, you may go ahead and untoggle the search button. Only toggle on this deep thinking as it enables reasoning problems. You can go ahead and try it, ask any questions, and see if this fixes your problem. Another thing is you can open a new account. Click on My Profile, click on Logout, and then sign up with a different Google account and search all your questions. That might also help you with avoiding please try again later problem. And the third thing you can do is avoid peak hours during morning and evening. You can also wait for a couple of minutes and refresh your page and see if this fixes your problem. Just like so guys, this is how you can avoid it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.